Welcome to the magnificent Bentley Flying Spur. This is the third generation of the modern series, and it's available for the first time with a plug-in hybrid option, making it, at the time of its debut last year, the most environmentally friendly road car Bentley has ever made. Check out the attention to detail in these exquisite crystal headlights, with a huge front grille helping to emphasize prestige and a sense of importance. Measuring it at just over 5.3 meters long, you can't miss it. It dominates the road and anything around it. At the back you'll see the lovely rear haunches flowing right to the tail lights, for a blend of elegance and muscle. Underneath you'll find a comprehensive all-wheel drive system and an 18 kilowatt-hour battery, which feeds a 100 kilowatt electric motor mounted between the engine and transmission. There's also adjustable and auto-leveling air suspension that provides an unbelievably comfortable ride. It feels like you're driving a cloud. It's that soft and absorbent. You can also switch into a sport mode for a more energetic and focused feel. This test car rides on a set of 21-inch alloy wheels, featuring grey inner spokes. We like the subtle design. It's not too blingy, yet it blends well with the stately character of the overall design. Stopping power is provided by floating and slotted rotors with 10 piston calipers. It's amazing how quickly it stops despite weighing in at over 2.5 tons. If you're after pure automotive opulence, look no further. This is the last word in luxury and craftsmanship. From the attention to detail across the dash, to the beautiful push-pull climate vent stalks, to the rotating touchscreen module, it is all part of the distinctive Bentley experience. We love the dark green and cream two-tone theme presented here, with thick carpet for the floor and real wood trimmings across the dash and door trims. It all looks and feels absolutely splendid. In the back is where most owners might prefer to sit, and we can understand why. Not only is there copious amounts of space and legroom, you also get fully adjustable seats, a massive flip-down center console, and a touchscreen display for the climate control and other settings. More of that exquisite attention to detail is represented in the back, including for the metal climate vents and seat controls on the door. Boot space is reduced compared with the regular V8 and W12 engine models. This is due to the electrical components of the hybrid system. The volume drops from 420 litres to 351. But don't worry, it'll still fit most of your ingots. Just leave the shopping to your staff. Under the bonnet is a 2.9 litre twin-turbo V6 petrol engine, paired with an electric motor for hybrid power. The V6 is similar to the one used in some performance Audis and Porsches, only here it emits a quiet yet refined soundtrack. Performance is incredible, especially for such a large and heavy vehicle. It really gets up and goes when you put your foot down. What surprised us most though was just how well it handles. Sure, the suspension is soft and wonderful at ironing out bumps on the road. However, in sport mode it hunkers down and catapults around corners. Honestly, it'll leave some small and nimble hot hatches for dead on a twisty mountain road. The power delivery of the all-wheel drive system is totally relentless, and there's actually pretty good steering feel too. Despite its size, it is easy to manage and feels happy to be pushed around under high tempo demands, and you can always rely on those big meaty brakes. Straight line performance is awesome, with seemingly endless top-end grunt. This is what it goes like.